You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene.
Okay, now that I've got my 3 feet of hair wrapped up, I'm ready to put my face on. I've already done my face makeup, eyebrows, and lips. Going in with the IBY eyeshadow in Midnight Sky, which is a navy blue shimmer, and creating a smoked out look with it. Also adding some color in the inner eye with the Maybelline Berry Please cream shadow, and that is the purple color from that palette. Going back in with my crease brush, and I'm going to put more of that Midnight Sky in the outer corner and in the crease, and going to smoke it out. And again, don't worry if it looks too intense. I'm also going to be blending this out. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just have some Q-tips handy, and you can go ahead and use it to clean up the eyeshadow if it has gone below where you wanted. And you can always go over with foundation too if you wipe that off as well.
Wanna shake that ground, wanna break away.
Can't forget about some shimmer, going in with an e.l.f. eyeshadow, and this is a baked eyeshadow pot in Brown Bonanza, using the lightest shimmer in that and adding a little pop to my eyelids.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound, we're gonna break them mold, them mold. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right.
Using a wet liner brush and dipping it in a black powder pigment, I'm creating a eyeliner and just going ahead and lining my top. lid with that.
And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
Since you are creating your own liner, you may have to go over a couple times to intensify this look. Also want to add that this is not a waterproof type of liner. However, it is good if you have lash extensions because it's simply a pigment and water. There's no oils, no gel or anything like that in this formula. This is not the recommended brush for lash extensions. It's just that I had some little tiny lint fibers stuck. I will be finishing off this look with the actual spoolie brush from my lash extension tech, so don't worry.
Grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
Wrapping up this look and it's completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications, and a hui ho until next time.